everyone, I'm Sandy and welcome to my scrapyard. So today I wanted to share with you a little memory box that I made for a girlfriend's, her daughter's birthday. It is inspired by Paul Ford, and he makes a lot of like scrapbook albums and stuff. I used to do this before I started journal making and I kind of missed it, so I thought I would give it another try. And I think it turned out really well. I followed his tutorial and I will link the his channel below if anybody's interested in trying. It is a box that is, I would say, 9.5 by 7. It has it is about 2.125 inches deep. There's the sides, the back, the bottom I've just left plain, and it does have a magnet closure on this little flap. I'm going to make sure I'm back in frame here. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. All right, and inside, let's see, it just lifts up and it's on this flap and it's got magnets here and in the front. And inside it's got all these different little wallets and folios and, well, not folios, yeah, I guess folios. And I thought you could just attach your, or you would just attach your pictures to these little photo mats. He had marked his, but I just wanted to leave mine plain. And you could also just take and shove photos inside that as well. And that is a magnet as well. And on the back, I've put another little bit of photo mats. And these ones, they open up with these little policy envelope closures, I guess they call those. And then they just slide out like that. And they also have photo mats on the back and photo mats on the back of that. And these are like just little pockets. They're a little bit deeper so that they fit in nicely. And hopefully, if you're careful, you won't catch your papers in there. There we go. Oopsie. And they just close like so. And I've done them so that the paper is just continuous, the pattern. Oops. And this is the same. And then there's these little pocket type for photos. Sorry, I'm just going to grab my other little photo mats here that I had cut with a different color. And then you would just put your 4x6 pictures in there. And in here you can do, like, I think he had set it up for 4-inch photos. And again, it's just little pockets. Oh, I guess I missed the back of that. I better do that. Gotta have those. And then these are like little side opening, what did he call those? Side opening pockets. And that just flaps down like that. And then the photo mat slides out on both of those. And on the back, I just did that. I love this paper. Oh, the paper I used for this was Recollections Mixed Media. And there's quite an array of different colors and stuff and patterns, which I thought went really well together. And this one just opens the same, only on the opposite way. And these are little photo wallets that are magnet closures. And you open that up. And you do the 4x6 or 4x4 photos there. And I've just made a few. Like so. And again, the pattern's very light, but it's just a continuation of the paper. And the last one is just a little pocket, a large pocket, which has separation in the middle so that your photos won't fall over. It's got a little separation in the center. And then again, the back. And that's it. So I'm going to be shipping this off today. And I'm so glad I opened it and looked at it because I already had it packaged up. But I wanted to do a little short video on it. And I'm going to have to add my photo mats to the back of those before I carry on with the packaging. Anyway, the top has a, I just used a transparency. I didn't have any acetate. And the transparency works pretty good. And he did these faux, geez, what is that? Mitering. A very simple way that he did that. So I hope you'll give it a try. And thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye.